Welcome to Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, a specialist in senior health, and today we're tackling a powerful and life-changing topic, muscle loss after 60, also known as sarcopenia. Now, most people will tell you to drink bone broth. Yes, it has some benefits. But if you're relying on bone broth alone, you're missing out on the real food that science shows can stop muscle loss and even rebuild strength after 60, 70, or beyond. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal the number one food that beats bone broth, why it works, how much you should eat, and exactly how it protects you from frailty, falls, and early aging. Section 1: Why Sarcopenia is so dangerous. After age 60, something happens in the body. We start losing about 3% of our muscle mass every year if we don't actively fight it. That may sound small, but imagine this: by the time you're 70 or 80, you could lose up to 30 to 40% of your strength if you don't do something about it. Sarcopenia isn't just about weak muscles. It means trouble getting out of a chair, difficulty climbing stairs, higher risk of falling and breaking bones, slower recovery from illness, and even reduced independence. But here's the good news: muscle loss is not inevitable. Your body can build muscle at any age, even in your 70s or 80s, if you give it the right nutrition and movement. Section 2: Why bone broth isn't enough. For years, bone broth has been promoted as the ultimate food for strong bones and muscles. And while it contains some collagen and amino acids, the truth is this: bone broth is too low in protein to fight sarcopenia. On average, 1 cup of bone broth has only 1 to 3 grams of protein. Compare that to what seniors actually need: at least 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to stimulate muscle growth. So if you're sipping broth thinking it will save your muscles, it won't. You'd have to drink gallons of it daily to meet your protein needs. That's why I tell my patients, forget bone broth, focus on real protein powerhouses. Section 3: The number one food that beats bone broth for muscle health. So what is this food? It's not exotic. It's not expensive. It's something most grocery stores carry. Eggs. But wait, you might be thinking, eggs? Really? I've been eating eggs my whole life. Here's why eggs are different from bone broth and why they're one of the most powerful muscle-building foods for seniors. 1 large egg has about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the amino acid that switches on muscle growth. Egg yolks have vitamin D, B12, and choline, nutrients critical for brain health and energy. But eggs aren't the only muscle hero. Let's expand this list. Section 4: Other foods that kill sarcopenia. If you really want to defeat muscle loss, here are the foods seniors should prioritize. 1. Salmon and fatty fish, rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in aging muscles. 2. Greek yogurt, double the protein of regular yogurt, plus calcium for bones. 3. Lentils and beans, plant-based proteins with fiber to support digestion and blood sugar control. 4. Chicken and turkey, lean protein, easy to cook, versatile for seniors. 5. Whey protein powder, a convenient option for seniors who can't eat big meals. Just 1 scoop can provide 20+ grams of muscle-boosting protein. These foods are far more effective than bone broth for stimulating muscle growth. Section 5: How much protein do seniors need? Most seniors I talk to are shocked when they hear this. If you're over 60, you should aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, you need about 80 to 100 grams of protein every day. To put that in perspective, 2 eggs equals 12 grams. 1 cup Greek yogurt equals 15 to 20 grams. 3 ounces salmon equals 22 grams. 1 scoop whey protein equals 20 to 25 grams. This isn't hard, but it does require planning. Section 6. The role of exercise with protein. Food is critical, but here's the secret: protein alone won't save you from sarcopenia. You must combine it with resistance exercise. That doesn't mean heavy gym weights. For seniors, this could be chair squats, resistance bands, light dumbbells, even bodyweight exercises like wall push-ups. The combination of protein plus strength training is the golden key to building muscle after 60. Section 7. What happens if you ignore this advice? If you skip protein and don't fight sarcopenia, here's what can happen. Shrinking muscles mean a higher fall risk. Weakness can steal your independence. You may end up in a nursing facility sooner. Recovery from illness or surgery becomes slower. But when you take action now, you can stay strong and active into your 80s and 90s. Keep your independence. Protect your brain and balance. And enjoy life without fear of frailty. Section 8. Meal plan example for seniors. Here's a sample high-protein meal plan for a senior looking to kill sarcopenia. Breakfast: 2 scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. 1 slice whole grain toast. 1 cup Greek yogurt with berries. Lunch: grilled salmon with vegetables. Half a cup quinoa or brown rice. Snack: whey protein shake with almond milk. Dinner: roast chicken breast, steamed broccoli, sweet potato. That's over 90 grams of protein in one day, perfect for maintaining strength. Section 9. Final message to seniors. So let's be clear. Bone broth has its place. It's warm, soothing, and provides some nutrients. But when it comes to fighting muscle loss and sarcopenia, it's not enough. The real heroes are eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, beans, and whey protein. Combine these with light resistance training, and you can stay strong, independent, and vibrant well into your later years. Summary. Thank you for watching Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, and my mission is to help you live not just longer, but stronger. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who might also be struggling with muscle loss. Remember, your body is capable of rebuilding at any age. Don't settle for frailty. Eat the right foods, move daily, and you'll be amazed at the strength you can gain. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.